वह खाने में मगन है। He is engrossed in eating. He is engrossed in eating. वह बाला मेरा है। That one is mine. That one is mine. यह वाला तुम्हारा है। This one is yours. This one is yours. उसे शायद जाना है। He may have to go. He may have to go. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. सब आराम से हो गया। Everything went smoothly. Everything went smoothly. जाओ जाकर पता लगाओ। Go and find out. Go and find out. समय बहुत कम है। Time is too short. Time is too short. इसमें समझना क्या है? You can say what's there to understand. What's there to understand. यह तो सभी को पता है। Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो। Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. अब तुम काम से नहीं भाग सकते। Now you can't shirk the work. Now you can't shirk the work. यह तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है। This is my love for you. This is my love for you. तुमने मुझे मुसीबत में छोड़ दिया था। You left me in the trouble. You left me in the trouble. मैंने जो कुछ किया वहीं पर किया। Whatever I did there. Whatever I did there. प्यार जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती। There is no such thing as love. There is no such thing as love. वह क्या कह रही थी मेरे बारे में? What was she saying about me? What was she saying about me? वह तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रही थी। She was saying nothing about you. She was saying nothing about you. क्या सोच रहे हो? मुझे भी बता दो। What are you thinking? Tell me too. What are you thinking? Tell me too. मुझे बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े। I had to face many complications. I had to face many complications. तुम्हारे मुंह लगना ही बेकार है। It's useless to argue with you. It's useless to argue with you. तुम्हारे पास जरा सा भी दिमाग नहीं है। You don't have a bit of sense. You don't have a bit of sense. जाओ जाकर अपना काम करो। Go and do your work. Go and do your work. मैं बाल कटवाने सैलून जा रहा हूँ। I am going to salon to get my hair cut. I am going to salon to get my hair cut. अपनी बातों में वजन रखो। Make your opinion count. Make your opinion count. तुम्हारी बातों में दम नहीं था। Your words didn't have weight. Your words didn't have weight. मुझे पार्टी में स्मार्ट बनकर जाना है। I have to go to the party smartly dressed. आजकल मेरा कुछ खाने का दिल नहीं करता। I don't feel like eating anything these days. अपनी इज्जत का ख्याल रखो। Take care of your own image. Take care of your own image. आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है कि all you have to do that. All you have to do that. इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखना है। You have to watch this video very attentively. उसके लाइफ में कुछ चीज की कमी नहीं है. There is no lack of anything in his life. वह एक अमीर परिवार से बिलोंग करता है. He belongs to a very rich family. मुझे उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with him. I have nothing to do with him. तुम ऐसा सोच भी कैसे सकते हो? How can you even think so? How can you even think so? मैं कुछ दिन में वापस आ जाऊंगा. I will be back in a couple of days. I will be back in a couple of days. बातें घुमाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to twist the words. Don't try to twist the words. तुम फालतू बातें पर ध्यान मत दो. You don't pay attention on rubbish talks. अब तुम्हें यह खाना ही पड़ेगा. Now you will have to eat this. Now you will have to eat this. मैं यहाँ बैठे बैठे बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am getting bored sitting here. I am getting bored sitting here. चलो कहीं बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere out. Let's go somewhere out. कहाँ जाओगे इतनी रात को? Where will you go in such a late night? Where will you go in such a late night? मैं किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सोचता. I don't think ill of anyone. I don't think ill of anyone. डरते क्यों हो? कुछ नहीं होगा तुम्हें. Why are you afraid? Nothing will happen to you. Why are you afraid? Nothing will happen to you. तुम घबराते क्यों हो? मैं हूं ना. Why do you worry? I am with you, right? चिंता मत करो, मैं सब ठीक कर दूंगा. Don't worry, I'll set everything right. Don't worry, I'll set everything right. कोई भी रातों रात सफल नहीं होता. No one succeeds overnight. No one succeeds overnight. मैं ज़्यादा मोल भाव नहीं करता हूँ. I don't haggle much. I don't haggle much. परीक्षा सर पर है. Exam is round the corner. Exam is round the corner. रोज पढ़ने की आदत डालो. Make a habit of studying every day. वह बिगड़ रहा है दिन पर दिन. He is getting spoiled day by day. उसे इतनी छूट मत दो. Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. What a lazy boy you are. What a lazy boy you are. आप इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. मुझे किस बात का डर. What have I to fear? What have I to fear? मैंने उसका ठेका लिया है क्या? Am I responsible for him? Am I responsible for him? हमारा समय खराब चल रहा है. We are going through difficult times. We are going through difficult times. उसके भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ मत करो. Don't play fast and loose with her feelings. आप मुझे क्यों बलि का बकरा बनाते हो? Why do you make me scapegoat? Why do you make me scapegoat? वह सारा दिन उदास सा लगा। He seemed very aloof all the time.